Element 57, process intensification. Process intensification is a strategy which aims to achieve process miniaturization to improve safety and energy efficiency and frequently product quality while achieving a given production goal. The benefit is not just a waste reduction, but also lower capital and operating cost. Process involves using more compact equipment, but also intensified methods of processing, which might involve the use of ultrasonic and radiation energy sources. The classical example of process intensification is replacement of batch processing by small continuous reactors, which frequently give more efficient overall operation.